Hello all, I am Professor D.S. Lal, working as a Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune. In the pandemic situation like COVID-19, the availability of labor is the major concern for the construction industry. To solve this problem, current project idea will provide lot of benefit over the problem of shortage of a labor. In the traditional construction technique, lot of form work and material get wasted, which increases construction cost. But in 3D printing, it is nearly no wastage, and yes, it will also become a more environmental friendly. In traditional method, labor requirement is more, but due to involvement of software as well as mechanism, very little manpower is required. Designing and building a home can be an expensive and time consuming task, but concrete 3D printing is an innovative technology in which the same effect can be possible with a less labor, less money, and a less time consumption. 3D concrete printers are portable, enabling construction in many locations using just one machine. The beautiful architectural design can be 3D printed on the spot. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mrunal Shripad Pofle from BE Civil, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering. I am working under my BE project titled 3D Concrete Printer, a trend-changing technology in Indian context. In this project, our project team is working on a 1.5 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter prototype of 3D concrete printer.
Coming to 3D printer concept. This is a manufacturing process in which printer creates 3D object by depositing the material layer by layer in accordance to 3D digital model. But the commonly used materials are plastic filament or metal. In our project, being civil engineer, we are extruding concrete through the printer. Basically, the nozzle that containing material moves in all three directions and extrudes material and makes 3D object.
Here you can see the simple mechanism made for 3D concrete printer. This is the concrete pouring nozzle which can move in all three directions. We have made rectangular, circular and square shaped detachable nozzles. Apart from mechanism part, concrete part is also little tedious. This printer needs special type of concrete having good workability, compressive strength, buildability, good flowability and appropriate setting rate. By adding appropriate admixtures in optimum quantities, we can achieve the 3D concrete. By trial and error method, we have worked on concrete mixes. In those, on some of the trials, we were disappointed and some were hopefully successful. I want to thank R&D department of PCCOE for giving us funding and motivation. Also, Dr. S.S. Lakde sir, my all teachers and my guide Dr. D.S. Lal sir.